One.
Hi, hello there. Greetings from the Philippines. I'm Lori Liligada or Tita Lori. Hi, Jing. Hi, Kuya Sir Joey. Hi, Windol. And to you, Chantel. A blessed birthday. May script ako. Time really flies. Ganun eh. I could hardly believe you're 18 now. The last time I saw you was around 14 years ago when I had a chance then to kiss and cuddle the little, so pretty Chantel. One incident that touched me was when I was frying dried anchovies, or in Filipino, dilis. Windle and you were picking the food one by one while I was cooking. You ate them like crunchy chips. I was flattered because I have done something that you really like. You know I didn't have babies then. No, meron na. I have 2 kids. I really appreciate your parents because I could see that you've been properly brought up all these 18 years. You've really grown that size. Let's face it. Anyway, the real problem is when people grow big and still have never grown up. Maturity matters most. So now, continue to honor your parents by giving your best in all your endeavors. Dream big because your God is big. May this verse from Ecclesiastes 12:1 inspire you. Remember your Creator in the days of your youth, before the evil days come and the years draw near when you will say, I have no pleasure in them. For sure, the pleasure is yours and ours now as we thank God for bringing you into this world. Happy birthday, Chantel, and many more to come. Hope to see you in the near future. God bless you.